afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper speaking. As you can hear in the background, Mrs. and Mrs. Easy are back at it.
Bonehead.
She...
Loser.
Mrs.
Geek. Dweeb. Whip. Weasel. Nerd.
You gotta
Bonehead.
just get...
Loser.
Take a breath.
Geek.
Take a
Dweeb.
breath. Take a...
Boring. Obnoxious. Whip.
Take
Creepy.
a breath. All right. Okay. I had to shove a rag in her mouth. You're sounding more like a man every day, Mrs. Easy. Mr. Easy, can you...
That was easy.
Yeah, take her, tie her up or something. All right, thank you. Wow. Wow, what a mouth on that woman. All right, guys. Where was I? Oh, that's right. I do picking videos. I'm going to go ahead and try to pick this. This is a Medico. I think it's a 91S. Better you guys look at it because I can't see worth a darn. And that light is not really helping. So, what do you guys think? Or can you see? 91S, I'm going with it. I'm gonna put it in my gootin' tootin' fruitin' vise here. Things need to be tightened down. No, that's because I'm on this. Yeah, that's better. Okay, get this adjusted. I got two picks I want to try. I always go to this one here because it's got that notch in there, and it's easy to catch those pins that are they're beveled to kind of move them and turn them. And I'm gonna try this other homemade pick. Not sure what I'm gonna get at it. I put this one in, and it doesn't seem to reach all the way to the back. And that's what this one's going to be about. So I'm going to start. And let's see. I think these are the two of the fattest tension wrenches I have. That's not too bad. Not too bad at all. This one, no. All right, so we'll take this one here. All right, let's see what we can do. Gotta move this back a little bit. I don't want the camera going in and out. Can we see that good enough? Stay. All right. Awkward or paracentric keyway here. I've learned. There we go. Believe there are 6 pins in here. There you go. One just give me a slight nudge. 2. Feels all right. It's very... I'm going to have to change picks. It's just too thick. But I like that pick for that. My other locket worked well. One's good. There, 2. Feels good. 3, got a little click there. Ah, darn it. Something fell. I'm going to tighten and just try to go a little bit more on my tension. Okay. Lost track of where I was anyway. 1. There we go. I think that was the one that fell. 2 feels good. 3. Okay, 4. Nice. 5. Nice, nice. And that is the last pin there. So I do believe there's 6 pins. One of them chambers didn't feel like anything in, but that was 5, and that don't make sense because 6 is sure binding. There we go. To the beginning. One. Nice. Come on, stay on there. 2 feels good. 3. Going in and out and kind of moving the pick along to try turning that pin. No, I think I went too far. Damn it. There we go. There we go. Next one. That feels good. Believe I'm on the last pin. Nice. Very nice. All right, beginning. One feels good. 2 is binding. That was nice. That was nice. Didn't feel like it went all the way, but I'm going to leave it. 3. Feels all right. I just got to click off that a little bit of movement. Sorry, I'm not calling off the pins. I'm slipping off them. I'm trying to concentrate on rotating, and I can't chew bubble gum and talk at the same time. And the sun was in my eyes. The moon came out a little early. Yeah, and my dog's barking. Even though I don't got a dog, it's my sister's. There we go. At least Mr. and Mrs. Easy as shit. I better not say anything. I'll jinx myself. And my hands are busy. Ah, there we go. And I think that was 1. Maybe not. That feels good. That feels okay. I think this is 3. Nice, 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 nice. Next one. Okay. And this is 4 or 5. Come on, I'm binding. Nice. Beginning. You know, I'm going to get crazy if I do it with one finger, but my hands are cramping. I think I'm on 2. Nice. Okay, I gotta hold it. Feels good. I think this is 4. It's binding. Yeah, okay. All right, okay. And last pin here. Nice. Very nice. Okay. 1 feels good. 2. There we go. That was 2. got to hook a mic to this. I don't know if you can hear these clicks or not. Got the camera as close as I can. Nice. Very, very nice. I felt that in my fingers. I lost where I was, damn it. I'm going off the last pin. 6 feels good. Okay, 1 feels set. 2 feels set. Nice. Got a little movement out of that. 3, I think. 4. Nice. That was a solid click there. Again, there's a guy like a space when I get off on 4, I get confused because I just fall off the pin there. That was me. On the last pin, though. All right, I'm binding. Mr. Easy. Oh, no, stay in there. No, I didn't mean anything. Stay. Woo! We did it. We did. No help from you, though. All right. Very, very cool. This was good. Let me get this out. Put this down there. Okay, straighten that out. What do we need? Clipper remover. That looks like it's going to be easy one. Looks half off. Maybe not. There we go. Here we are. All right. All righty now. All righty. Let me grab a shim. And come on. It's very tight. Very tight. No problems, please. No problems. Okay, let me set this down. I don't need that. Here's that sidebar, if that's what it calls it. And I don't want to lose these springs. Okay, you can see the springs a little bit. I can't turn my hand that way. That one's barely sticking out. Let me set this down. And there's the focus, the other spring there. Yeah, they're both there. So we're going to set this off to the side. Let's see what we could do here. It's got anti-drill pins there. I'm going to do this slow. I'm not going to mess up. Okay, there. That's that. Thinking I maybe messed up already. Not sure that's there, but I'm going to put it there. All right. There it is. There that is. Of course, upside down. All right, I'll fix that in a minute, but I'm pretty sure that's the way that is. I think this pin came off the top here. Keep all of them covered. There's. I'll straighten them out. Three. Saw that. All right. That was an easy one. Yeah, that. I need a tissue. All right. All right. There's nothing done to any of this. I don't even know if. I question if I make spools out of these things. Has anybody ever seen a spool made out of these? And that way I could tap the cylinder and all that kind of good stuff. All right, there's nothing done in there. I got to get tissue real quick. Excuse me. All right. I hope all that was in camera. I don't know if it was. Dealing with the top pins now. Yeah. Let's get these set right. Yeah. That. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is exactly how it's supposed to be. Each one has a wafer in it. Probably a master wafer. All right, top pins. What is this? All right, there we got some more. I mean, I'll show it in a minute, but it's all spooled up or whatever. It's got, I mean, serrations all through it. There we go. Nice copper spring. Easy. All right. And this is, I think this is plain, but looks like it's tapered down a little bit. Let me get the spring. Next one. Yeah, this is a little. Well, it's got a serration to it. It's got a head on it. So, yeah, I'm curious about that. You know, I'm gonna try it. So, you know, put serrations in them, make a couple of spools in them. I'd like to change the key pins around, but it can't do that. There. Okay. Let me go from the other side so I don't mess up. Kind of like a spool. It's got a lip on there, so I'm calling that a spool. Last one. And they're all like that. Well, I'm going to make it harder next time, that's for sure. I never thought about doing it. Nothing, none of that, no big deal there. Put that there. Let's see what we got here. Zoom. Alright, so basically all the same down in here. I'm trying to see if it's got like any false gates or whatever you call. But I got a big master, little wafers here. I should have stuck on these. Those are all the same. I don't know. It's definitely got a head on it this way. And this one looks like it's tapered a little bit. This one's looks like a spool. It's got a little lip around it. And as you can see that way. This one is like a little, this looks like doesn't have it. Kind of looks like a little mushroom. Alright, this one here, plain. They all look like they're modified in some way. This is a strange one to be in here. This serrated one. So that's what I got. That's what I did. Sorry, I don't know if I had that in camera or not, but I picked the Medico. Trying to see the key, if it has what it is. Yeah. So, like I said before, I think it's a S. Oh, man, I don't know. You guys tell me. All I do is pick locks. Explaining and stuff like that. Yeah, I got so much distraction here. I can't think straight.
That was easy.
Get out of here, man. Stop touching my stuff. Thanks for watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend and let me know what you think about this. Please. All right, I'm good.